On our computer screen, we can see two operating systems. RS and aluminum. S stands for stainless steel. Because we are using stainless steel this time. So we open the S operating system. Okay. The following shows our operation interface. Let me show you the process of feeding materials into the machine. First, we use stainless steel material. Stainless steel material has a bright and dark side. Okay. Let's put the stainless steel material through the roller into the machine. During the process, turn on the valve and switch. After fully putting in. And hold the material, then adjust the manipulator. The groove of the arm.
Lower the pillar in the groove of the manipulator.
Until the material enters the groove. Fix the manipulator. Let's do the grooving test now. First, we open the configured test. Secondly, we click the 0 return instruction of the manipulator. Then click on grooving. Select yes. Groove is done. Bend it like this 2 or 3 times. If it can be bent smoothly, it proves the grooving is successful. Next, we will calibrate the feeding length.
First, click on Parameter Settings.
Click Settings. Feeding calibration. First, we adjust the feeding length calibration.
Enter. The test distance of 500 here.
Click Start Test. Take off the test material and measure it. If it matches the instruction. Enter 500.
If the test result does not match the instruction length,
then enter the actual measured length. Then save it. Now let's calibrate the encoder.
first, enter 500 as the test length here.
Click encoder clear.
Start feeding.
Take off the test material.
Measure.
The length.
If the measured value matches the input. Input 500.
Click calculate.
Save.
Click to save.
Then it's done. Let's do the digging test now. Quickly open. SP2 fill. Select the internal arc of the P. After selection, start bending. Click Save. Take off the finished product. Watch the inner arc radius. If the inner arc is too large, then we adjust the parameters. First, click on Parameters Setting, User Setting. Enter the password. Click Parameters Setting again. Process Setting. Find it. Find forward bend arc. If the inner arc angle is too large, we increase the positive bend value. If the inner arc angle of the test result is too small, then decrease it. Decrease this value. Let's test the outer arc of the P now. First, select the outer arc. Click 2 times. Start. Take off the test result. If the inner arc of this result too large, then adjust the negative bend arc setting. If the inner arc is too large, increase this value. If the inner arc angle is too small, decrease this value. Finally, click Save. After the above debugging, now we conduct the finished product test. We choose to make an external arc of P. Double-click to start. After comparison, the device is qualified.